In this video I'm going to show you some troubleshooting techniques when you can't download a program into your pickaxe. So here I've got a blank program. I'm going to hit the program button and I should see a scroll bar saying waiting to connect. And now for some reason it has timed out. It says hardware not found on COM4. And it lists some possible reasons: the hardware not connected. In my case it is. The USB cable is connected there, it's all good. Hardware not powered, and in my case the switch is in the on position, so it is powered. 4, hardware needs a reset. That could be it. The robot doesn't have a reset button per se, but you can reset it manually. You can turn the power off, and I'll clear this message. Now I'm going to hit the program button and then I'm going to turn on the switch here. So ready, set, program, and now I'm turning on the switch now. And now it's successfully downloading the blank program. There we go, download was successful. Now, so why didn't the program initially download? Well, the reason is this is what was actually running on the pickaxe that stopped the new program from downloading. Any sort of serial in command, whether it be from the download pin or from any other pickaxe pin, locks up the pickaxe. It's when it's waiting for a serial in signal, it doesn't do anything else. So it's not, it won't accept a new program. And the only way to download a new program is to turn the switch off, press program, and then turn the switch on again, and that will force the download to occur. Now let's say you still can't download a program. That's when you pull out your multimeter and you do some voltage measurements. So starting right at the battery input, you should measure somewhere around 5 or 6 volts there. So that voltage looks okay. Now I'm testing the voltage directly on the pickaxe voltage input, power input pins, and again it should be a bit lower than the battery input voltage. So here we've got 5.15, which is fine. So there should be no issues there. If I get 0 volts here, and I get some voltage here, then there will be an issue with this diode here. So check the polarity of the diode, make sure it's the right way around. And if I get no voltage across these two battery inputs, I'm going to be checking anything to do with the battery pack. I want to make sure that all of the batteries are in securely. What I have found is that when this becomes a robot and you drive it around, there's a likelihood of the batteries popping out and disconnecting. That's if they hit something. So that's another thing to try. Another little tip if you're having trouble is, this is particularly when a program is not exactly doing what you want it to do, is putting in a sound command as your first line. And then just continue on with your program. The reason why I'm putting in this sound command here is let's say the pickaxe is resetting for whatever reason, whether it be a low battery, or it might be a hardware error where you have an intermittent fault that short circuits the power supply or something like that. Anytime the pickaxe resets, you'll hear it beep, and that's a really good indicator that the pickaxe has reset. Sometimes, if without this command, sometimes you might think that your program is incorrect or that there's some sort of flow problem within your program, but actually it's in actual fact the pickaxe might be resetting for a whole lot of other reasons, and this is a way to alert you that the pickaxe is actually resetting, because this sound command won't trigger in the program except for at the very start, when it first resets or when it first starts running. And also don't forget the debug command, which I like to use as much as possible within the program to see what's happening within the program, within the workings of the program. So just a few tips to try to get you going. Thanks for watching.